Welcome back, guys. A week or so ago I made a video about the cost of going off grid, and that was basically about the land, getting a driveway in. I'll put a link down in the description to that video if you want to check it out. Today we're going to get into the cost of what it was to build our off-grid cabins. We basically took two cabins we built and we connected them together, and we done that reason because we do have a spot picked out on our property that we're probably going to build our forever home, maybe 2 or 3 years down the line. But for right now we wanted to build something a little faster, get us started so we can get our off-grid homestead on the ground running, so we can work on getting our livestock and our garden going. We wanted a structure that was simple and fast, so we used mostly local suppliers in our area. We do have a Lowe's, but it's about an hour away. So we started off with getting the floor system ordered and delivered, and we built these cabins on like a skid system so they could be moved one day, just like a shed to house or an Amish shed type build. So for the floor system, we had it delivered, and the cost for the floor system for both cabins, this is including the cinder blocks and the skids and the sheathing for the floor, the insulation for the floor, all that costed us $2,200. So once we got that up, we ordered us the exterior wall lumber package and the zip system. We went with the zip system because we didn't know if we were going to be able to get our exterior siding on before winter come, and we heard good things about the zip system. So for the zip system and the exterior framing walls, all that was $3,500. All right, for the roof, we also went with a zip system, the 5/8, I believe, tongue and groove, and we used the Amish for their tin. And I'm gonna group all this together. That way it's just simple, it's a roof package. And we built our own trusses. So that framing is gonna be in this price as well. We went with the Amish for the tin because they were the cheapest around. Great quality as well. We went with the zip system for the roof as well, because we were just, matching. We went with the zip system for the exterior, so we wanted to match it with that, and also heard great things about that. And this is also including the ice and water shield that's under the tin, and all of that with the framing of the trusses, the tin for both cabins, and the ice and water shield was $4,600. So another cost. So we got the framing of the inside walls and the window and doors that we purchased. All this was purchased at one time, so I'll give you the cost of that. So we got 4 windows in the kids' cabin, 1 door. We got 2 doors on the main cabin, and 4 windows in that as well. And we got an exterior door we got to purchase for the mud room, and for all that was another $4,200. So guys, there it is. That's what it costed us to frame up and dry in our 2 off-grid cabins. Again, thanks for joining us, and if you like our videos and you want to follow along, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification, and we'll see you on the next one.